Did you know that in 2026, there's a car that experts are calling perfect? But the real question is it affordable for your pocket? Most people end up losing money while chasing cheap cars. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 2026 cars that are not only cheap to buy, but cost almost nothing to maintain. And at the end of the video, I'll reveal the car that wins the title of 2026 overall winner. If you want to save money, don't skip these 3 minutes. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, let's understand what cheap car actually means. Some cars like the Nissan Versa or Toyota Corolla are cheap at the showroom. But in 2026, experts are calling those cars cheapest, that have high resale value and excellent fuel economy. Take the Honda Civic Hybrid, for example. Its price might seem a little higher, but it delivers 50 miles per gallon, 20+ kilometers. That means the money you save on fuel makes this car feel almost free over time. Now let's talk about the cars that are ranking at the top in 2026. Best luxury, Lexus RX 350h. Perfect for people who want luxury but don't want to visit the mechanic every week. Best truck, Honda Ridgeline. For those who want to work hard during the week and enjoy family trips on the weekend. Best sports car, Mazda MX-5. The world's most affordable and fun sports car, still available in its classic style. But now comes the car that left everyone behind. Subaru Outback. This is the 2026 overall winner. Why? Because it's made in Japan, has outstanding build quality, and performs well on all types of roads. It offers enough space for the entire family's luggage. And when it comes to safety, it has no competition. What do you think? Do you believe the Honda Civic Hybrid or Subaru Outback is the better choice? Write your favorite car's name in the comments below. And if you want a detailed review of any of these cars, like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video!